Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today we are making frigione. Frigione is a classic recipe that comes from Bologna, my hometown. It's a sauce made with white onions and tomatoes. We have 2 kilos of white onions, 1 can of 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, 1 knob of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Peel the onions and finely slice them. Add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. Mix and let it rest covered for at least 3 hours, mixing occasionally. After 3 hours, the onions released their liquid. Add the onions and their liquid in a pan. Add a knob of butter. When the butter is melted, cover and let it cook at very low heat for at least 2 hours. After 1 hour, move the lid and let it cook half covered. After 2 hours, add the tomato and cook for 90 minutes, half covered. After 3 hours of cooking, check if the frigione is too wet. If it is still wet, cook 30 minutes uncovered. And our frigione is ready. Guys, it's really good. Even as a snack on a piece of bread, it's delicious.